a Rajshri film for the first time, and in one that's very, very contemporary, at the same time keeping their signature style in mind. So I hope this is just a beginning for me with the Rajshri banner. I would love to lots of movies with them and with her.
Well, I would like to say that yes, it is my second film under the banner, but yet there are a lot of first times in this journey. Like first time pairing with Tushar. I'm working for the first time with Manaswi as he is a debutant director, and also I think I'm doing a role that's more contemporary, more modern, more me, and very different from what I left behind in the previous film under the same banner. So I guess there has been a lot of first time.
Coming back to the same, her second in your debut, did you find her a little, showing that seniority, seeing that I know the Rajshri production pretty well?
Well, we're not.
God jealous. Come on, tell them.
We're not 18 and 19, or rather 18 and 19. We're not kids to even feel that, okay, she's worked more with them and I have not. And that's something that I think young, very, very young people do. And I don't consider myself very young anymore. I'm a 30 plus person. And on top of that, I think when you come on set, you think about your own character, not about who knows whom and who doesn't know whom. You think about the shot, and if that's okay, then everything else becomes okay, right? If the shot is not okay, I think I go home in a bad mood, irrespective of how I'm being treated otherwise. I think the work comes first, and she's a very cool, easygoing person. Even if she, I think, knows a banner like the Rajshri banner more than I do, it didn't really come across to me, because at the end of the day, I mean, we all have to make this film a hit, and we all have to make a good film. So why would she give me those vibes? I mean, I think that would be something that a very immature person would do, and that's not her.
Such good words about Tushar. Such good words
They're
that Tushar
pearls
has
of
got.
wisdom.
What about Tushar? How is he?
It's home. What about Tushar? What about Tushar?
How is he as a co-actor?
Very supportive. Tushar has been absolutely supportive. There have been no competitive airs from his end. Nothing that, okay, I have to prove, I have to better, I have to wanna. Nothing like that. And he's tolerated me through each and every scene. Before we got into the scene, we had a very effortless rapport, and I think that's how relationships should be. Long-lasting relationships are always effortless, and we have tried to extend that quality on the screen too. I think that was very effortless. Yeah.
Talking about the shift, the transition that has come in the Rajshri field of, the stream genre of films from the typical family drama. Now this is a little more new age, dealing with topics which are very new age.
Correct.
Do you think that the audience still is somewhere expecting the family drama and not the changes that Rajshri is bringing in?
I think from a lot of feedback that I have personally got is that people love Rajshri films because they truly promote certain qualities that are now disappearing from the scenario, and they have maintained their core values without compromising on their contemporariness. But I think the need of the hour was, and everybody was saying it, that we love the Rajshri films, we want the Rajshri films, but in a younger package. And I think this is truly what they want. Yeah.
Your thoughts on the same question?
Well, the audience always expects a good film and freshness, irrespective of what the banner has done before. They want something that's fresh. If you want to get the youth to the cinemas, then you have to give them something that they would be identifying in today's world. So bringing the Indian values and at the same time giving that a contemporary feel, giving that something new wave and new age in its styling and in its narrative and in its conceptualizing, that only adds to I think the newness of the whole thing, and fresh is always in. So I think people don't expect the same thing from the Rajshri banner. They expect a good script, they expect Indianness, and they expect honesty and sincerity from the Rajshri banner, and that is there in this film, even though it's a modern film, and all those traditional value systems that they have imbibed, that they have imparted through their films, are intact in this movie.
Talk of the changes. Even Prem has now given way to Sahil. So do you at times feel, while shooting or before you signed, did you ever feel that there's been a certain expectation from the audience about that Prem in Rajshri film?
Oh, we had a Prem in the Rajshri film.
Prem Chopra ji.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a Prem. Well, it doesn't matter whether it's Prem or Sahil, as long as there's genuine Prem coming. That is what people expect. So, no, I would be the least insecure about something like this. I think what matters is a good film. What matters is good performances. What matters, and I mean, who knows? I may be starting a trend of Sahil, and Amrita would now work with the Prem and a Sahil. So, the more the merrier.
Prem or Sahil together.
Yes. Sahil is the new wave Rajshri Prem.
Talking about the music, both of y'all, what do you think about the music in any song that you remember or have this on loop, playing on loop?
Sorry. The song, definitely Sarfira. It's a very peppy song and very hummable. I've always loved Bombay Vikings and Neeraj Sridhar, and I think his input to the songs have truly been a good contribution. But I guess we also have this big favorite in our unit, this one song which is sung by Mohit Chauhan. It's called Kahin Se Chaliya, and we kind of already bet that it's going to be like one of this hardcore Mohit Chauhan romantic numbers.